Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Kicking off after the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, and you get a little bit of life in there. If you're new, I'm Laura. That's Wyatt. If you see a tan puppy dog, that's Zena. If you see a kitty, that's Harvey. We're so happy you're here. We hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. It is Sunday morning and 19 degrees. It's only getting up to a high of 25. You saw that sun try to come out for a little bit, but it is very, very overcast today. And we are headed to my sister-in-law's for Christmas. So we used to do it on Christmas Day, which used to be at my husband's parents' house, but now she's taken it over and we're doing a little bit earlier so everyone can be home on the actual Christmas Day. So I dressed a little bit festive for my first outfit of the week. I have on cut from the cloth denim with a little bit of bling, which I'm kind of loving. Paired it with a top from Evereve that I got in a Trendsend. Had this for quite some time now. Grabbed my White House Black Market red jacket. This is that coated with the cutouts. I love this one. And for shoes, I did a bootie, my Sam Edelman booties. I think I got these a couple years ago. And let's see, for jewelry, my gold hoops. I have on an Ana Luisa necklace, and I have on my bracelet stack. And I believe I'm ready to go. In fact, I forgot my rings. I still have to put those on. So I hope you have an amazing day and that you are ready for the holidays, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday and time for outfit of the day. It is 33 degrees, getting up to 39. Only Wyatt is joining me today. So this is like go time, right? You got to make sure everything is ready to go for Christmas Eve. So it's going to be a day where I'm organizing myself. Did I get it all right? Is everything wrapped? Did it all come in? What am I missing? That kind of fun stuff. And my JB Stylebox posted today. It was such a good one. However, I kept two pieces from it. I kept the fur jacket that I requested, loved it. And I kept those sequin pants. I think they were absolutely amazing on, and the price wasn't bad. I just loved them. They fit so nicely. They had a nice flow to them. I feel like you could dress them up, or you could kind of be different and wear it with a denim jacket like my stylist suggested. So those are the two pieces that I kept. And for outfit of the day today, I have on a Wantable sweater, which is Z Supply. Love this cardigan. I have on cut from the cloth denim, which is also from a Wantable. And my favorite shoes here, these are Dolce Vitas. Got them in a Stitch Fix. One of the best deals ever from a box because they were like half off, and I just picked them all the time to wear because they're comfortable, easy, and go with everything. For jewelry, I have on gold hoops. I have on this really pretty necklace from my friend. She gave this to me for Christmas. Is that not so pretty? The sea turtle. So pretty. Love it. And that's it. I didn't wear rings or bracelets today because wrapping, washing, cleaning, that kind of fun stuff. I also got this really pretty Christmas card from one of my amazing subscribers. So I wanted to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it. So appreciate it. And I love the picture that you sent. So thank you for sharing that with me. So a huge shout out to Brenda. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. Just Wyatt joining me. Zena's sound asleep. Harvey, I think, is downstairs. And it's 38 degrees outside, rainy. It's getting up to a high of 41 today. I can't believe it's already Christmas Eve. So hopefully you're ready. Everything is going to be amazing. And I decided to dress up. I typically am not quite this blingy, but I kept those pants from JB Stylebox, so I just had to break them out because why not? We're going out to eat for Christmas Eve. I might as well bring the sparkle. So I have on those pants, paired it with a cardigan from Cabi with the gold buttons. My shoes are Seychelles. Love these. Nice little slip-on kitten heel. And for jewelry, I did gold hoops, a necklace that my husband got me, and my bracelet stack. I think I'm ready to go. So I plan to film outfit of the day tomorrow, which is Christmas Day, unless I decide to just stay in my jammies all day. And then you won't see me until Thursday. I hope you have an amazing holiday, and I'll see you at least by Thursday. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, it's Christmas. It is 38 degrees, getting up to 40. It's not too bad outside. There's no snow for us today. But I got dressed. So how about that? I wasn't sure. I thought maybe I would spend the day in my jammies, but I did actually get dressed. I was running around the house, and now I feel like I'm a little disheveled, but Wyatt is joining me, and I hope you got everything you wanted for the holidays. It was a nice night out last night. I got so many compliments on those sequin pants, I have to tell you. My husband made fun of me before we left because he said I was too dressed up, and then when we got there, so many compliments. People were just stopping me to tell me how much they love those pants. So that was a good purchase. And for today, I have on mica denim from a Wantable, a Project Social Tee t-shirt. Yes, my Fizz t-shirt from Wantable. I have on a cardigan that is by Evereve from a Trendsend. For shoes, my Dolce Vita, Little Warm and Fuzzies. Love these. Also from a Trendsend. For jewelry, I just put on hoop earrings. I think these came in a Curator, if I'm not mistaken. And that's it. That's my outfit today. My Trendsend posted, so I wanted to share something with you guys in case you all needed a break today. And as always, my stylist, Camelia, does such a great job. That was a really hard one. I ended up keeping the Boots Daydreamer tee. I kept the off-shoulder pullover. It was just pretty. I kept, of course, the black Dawson blazer. I kept the little boot charm by Goriana. I kept the Sherpa gilet, which I said wrong right before, gilet, which was the vest from Varley. And I kept the Brooke cardigan from Z Supply, but I am exchanging that one for an extra small. So, I did not keep the cut from the Kloth pant, even though I thought they were great because I have other cream pants and it's corduroy. I wasn't sure how much I would grab for them. I didn't keep the rag and bone wide leg. Those were just too wide leg for me. And yes, I didn't keep the sequin pullover either in the oatmeal, which was a really pretty sweater. I liked it, but I think because it was a crew neck, I thought I just probably won't grab for it as much as I should for the price tag. All right, so Wyatt and I are going to get back to Christmas. Hope you're doing amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, the day after Christmas. It is 43 degrees, getting up to 48. The sun is shining. You can see by my line that shows up anytime the sun is out. There it is. So it's a really pretty bright day outside. And it's around lunchtime. Just Wyatt joining me. I don't think you can see him, but he's curled up here on the couch. I hope you had a beautiful Christmas and got to spend time with friends and family and relax and all the good things. So I hope they all came true for you. And let's see, for outfit of the day today, I am comfy. I have on rag and bone denim. I love these. These are like the pull on. They look like denim, but they feel like sweatpants jeans. So the belt loops and everything is faux painted on it. It's just stretchy, pull, comfortable. Anyway, threw on a t-shirt by Nordstrom. This is just a Nordstrom long sleeve tee, and then a Sanctuary vest because it's kind of chilly outside, but I'm going between warm, cold, so I thought this would be a good choice. Threw on my boots by Edelman you've seen before. And for jewelry, I have on Ana Luisa earrings, the Ana Luisa necklaces. I love these. So these are called the Lara necklaces. This one is the slim, and I think this one is the Lara bold. Love that. And I don't have anything else on today. So that's my outfit. All right. Well, I think Wyatt and I are going to try to do a video today. Hope you're doing amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it's Friday. The Friday after Christmas. We made it, and it is a beautiful day outside. 49 degrees. It feels nice. I went outside and almost felt like I had too many clothes on. We did a little bit of a Lowe's run, huh? We're doing some family house projects, so we had to go to Lowe's. Wyatt got to go, so he enjoyed it. Don't you? Huh? Oh, why? Yeah, he did a good job. And let's see, Zena's in the room, but she's enjoying some sweet potato fries, so she's going to probably ignore us. And let's see, for today's outfit, I went with a Daydreamer Def Leppard sweatshirt. I love this sweatshirt. I've had it for a while. I got it in a Trendsend. It's so yummy. Paired it with this gilet from Varley that I just got in a recent Trendsend. My jeans are Pistola. I'm loving this cuff. Just love the cuff. And then I have on Dolce Vita booties. How cute are these? Got them, I believe. I think I got those in a Trendsend as well. And then my belt is from Loft. I have on gold hoops, a bracelet stack. This is one that I got in the Philippines. And this is one that my husband got me a while ago. And that's my outfit today. All right, well, I hope you're all ready for the weekend. I can't believe it's already after Christmas and we only have a few more days left in the year. I'll see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. All right, so my Stitch Fix posted today that I totally messed up when I did my preview. Somehow I picked a mock neck. What was I thinking? I think I saw Z Supply. I liked the chow. Didn't even pick up on the fact that it had a high neck. So that kind of kept me from keeping 5 for 5. So I really looked at the pieces and what I thought I would wear the most. And I ended up keeping the Pistola pants. Loved that color. And I kept the booties. They were a nice, great basic. I gotta do better next time for sure. Because Stitch Fix has really been trying to meet my styling needs really well. Like when I make requests, when I wish list, or I should say heart items, I feel like they've been getting better and better, and I really enjoy the preview. So this one was on me and not on my stylist. All right, so it is going to be a little bit warmer today. It's going to get up to high of 58. It's 48 right now, early in the morning. I'm headed to breakfast with my friend. And I chose for today a Pistola skirt from a Stitch Fix, a Michael Stars long sleeve tee. I put on Dolce Vita high booties, so knee-high booties. And my jacket is by Sadie and Sage that I got in a Wantable. I don't think you've seen this Wantable yet, but so cute. For jewelry, I have on a necklace that my friend got me. How pretty is this? With the sea turtle and gold hoops and a bracelet stack. And I am ready to go. That's a wrap on this week's outfit. Of course, I will list them all down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know the boxes. Can't wait to hear what your favorite was this week. So please let me know. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.